Tired of Telegram censoring what you can see? Let's unlock the full potential of the app and enable sensitive content. Quick and easy. First, you need to understand that you can't change this setting directly within the Telegram app on your phone. This needs to be done through the web or desktop version. Open your web browser and go to web.telegram.org, or if you prefer, open the Telegram desktop application. The steps are the same for both. Look for the menu icon. It's usually located in the top left corner of the screen. Click on it to open the main menu. In the menu, find and click on Settings. It might be represented by a gear icon, or just the word Settings. Now, scroll down until you see Privacy and Security and click on it. Scroll down further, all the way to find the Sensitive Content section. It might be near the bottom of the page. You'll see an option that says Disable Filtering. Notice how it's currently unchecked. This means sensitive content is being filtered. Simply click the checkbox next to Disable Filtering. Once checked, Telegram will no longer filter sensitive content in public channels and groups. That's it. You should now be able to see all content, including sensitive material, in your Telegram channels and groups. Remember to be mindful of the content you're viewing and always prioritize your online safety. Now you can enjoy the unfiltered side of Telegram.